Hello again, my name is Frank, and I'll be representing Insider Bowling Tips for this video series. This is part 2 in a bowling tip video series on how to release a bowling ball. This video in the series is on vertical wrist positions and how they affect your bowling ball roll and motion. There are 3 main vertical wrist positions. There are the flat, straight, and cupped wrist positions. Each of these wrist positions promotes a different type of ball roll and can be used in a different situation in your bowling game. Please keep in mind when experimenting with these wrist positions, care must be taken to avoid injury. So anytime you experience any pain or discomfort, you are not executing it correctly and it should be adjusted.
The flat wrist position is used with what we call a broken wrist. Executing this position as you release your bowling ball promotes a delayed hook and is good for lane conditions with drier back ends and shorter patterns. Straight wrist position is just what it says it is. It is a straight, neutral wrist position, and this is the recommended place to start. All other wrist positions should be adjusted from this. The straight wrist position promotes a medium reaction on the bowling lane. Now the cupped wrist position. This position is done by cupping your bowling ball. Most of your high revolution type bowlers like doing this. It promotes an earlier roll and more revolutions on the bowling ball. You would want to use this type of motion on a little slicker condition and can help you if you are leaving a lot of wrapped 10 pins that we explain in our videos on the 10 pin in bowling. If done correctly, this position can increase your pin carry due to the fact of the increased revolutions on the bowling ball.
Experimenting with these wrist positions and learning to recognize when to use them can greatly increase your bowling scores. Look for our next video in this series, Part 3, Horizontal Hand Positions and how they affect your bowling ball motion. For more bowling tips, go to InsiderBowlingTips.com. And remember, practice, practice, practice. Thanks for watching.